Alrighty, today we are making a marinara pizza. We have the dough here. It's a simple, just red tomato sauce, garlic, oregano, and olive oil. It's all to it. So it's simple again, marinara. So we'll go ahead and get this plopped in here. And let's get this stretched. So we'll go ahead and get this in some semolina, both sides. We'll get a little bit on the floor. And go ahead and get it stretched. And so we're just gonna get this stretched out here. Wipe some of this off. And go ahead and get this bad boy stretched out. And we're gonna do about a little bit more, like right here. All right. So that's about the size I would want there. And we'll go about a spoonful of some tomatoes. And just to the edge there. And so again, this is some fresh chopped garlic, so we're just gonna kind of sprinkle this on here. And you can do as much as you want. And let's see. Sprinkle on some oregano. All right. And we'll get a little bit of oil on here now. Okay. And then we'll get this on the peel. And just a final stretch here. And because again, there's really not too much, it doesn't really stretch out. But we can make this work. All right, make sure that moves there. And straight to the Ooni oven that has been on now for about 30 minutes. And so it's gonna go straight down right there. Perfect. And also go ahead and turn down the oven a little bit. And now we're just gonna go ahead and cook it. Should be less than 3 minutes of cook time. So we'll go ahead and get that started. The back is rising a little bit. And it is cold outside today. And you can already smell that oregano and the sauce cooking. It smells pretty good. So we'll just kind of go ahead now and get this spun around full 180. Get that cleaned up a little bit. You can see that brown on that crust. Rising just a little bit in the center, but it's okay. We'll get that here. Kind of spin it here. And you could always maybe try to push that down. But then now that sauce is there. So not a smart idea, but this isn't hot yet. And let's get this cooked right here a little bit more. And yeah, should be cooked. Bottom's cooked, so yeah, perfect. So let's get this inside. And there you have it. Simple marinara